Here are 5 English words with their meanings and example sentences. Explore meaning. To travel through or investigate something to discover more about it. Sentence. We plan to explore the city's historical landmarks this weekend. Admire meaning. To look at something or someone with respect or appreciation. Sentence. I truly admire her dedication to helping others. Opportunity meaning. A set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something. Sentence. This job offers an excellent opportunity to grow your career. Decide meaning. To make a choice or come to a conclusion. Sentence. He needs more time to decide which university to attend. Support meaning. To give assistance or encouragement to someone or something. Sentence. Her family always supports her decisions, no matter what. At ADS, we specialize in providing comprehensive security solutions tailored to your business needs. With 10 years of expertise in the industry, we stand as a beacon of security excellence. Actions speak louder than words. Over the years, we've served over 500 clients, including some of the most renowned celebrities and companies. Whether it's physical presence, state-of-the-art technology, or proactive risk management, we deliver peace of mind around the clock. Our comprehensive services include round-the-clock man guarding, cutting-edge surveillance systems, and advanced access control solutions. We tailor each solution to fit your specific security requirements, ensuring a safe and secure environment for your employees and assets. Ready to elevate your business security? Contact ADS today for a personalized consultation and take the first step towards a safer tomorrow. Link is in the description below.